all kinds of pasta explained in an easy way. Spaghetti. Spaghetti is one of the most universally recognized pasta shapes in the world. It is a long, thin, cylindrical strand made from durum wheat semolina and water, with a smooth surface and a firm texture when cooked correctly. The name comes from the Italian word for little strings, which perfectly describes its appearance. Spaghetti pairs well with a wide range of sauces, but it is most famously associated with tomato-based sauces and the classic spaghetti bolognese. It originated in southern Italy and has since become a staple in kitchens across every continent. Penne. Penne is short, tube-shaped pasta with angled ends that resemble the tip of an old-fashioned quill pen, which is exactly where its name comes from. The tubes have a hollow center that traps sauce inside, making every bite flavorful throughout. Penne comes in two main varieties, smooth penne lisi and ridged penne frigate, with the ridged version gripping chunky sauces more effectively. It is a versatile pasta that works equally well with tomato sauces, cream sauces, and baked dishes. Penne is one of the most commonly found pasta shapes in supermarkets worldwide. Fusilli. Fusilli is short, spiral-shaped pasta that resembles a corkscrew or a tightly wound spring. The twisted structure gives it an exceptional ability to hold on to thick, textured sauces, as the sauce gets caught in every curve of the spiral. It is made from durum wheat and has a slightly chewy texture when cooked al dente. Fusilli works beautifully in pasta salads because its shape holds dressing and small ingredients together well. The name comes from the Italian word for spindle, referencing the tool historically used to shape the pasta by hand. Fettuccine. Fettuccine is flat, ribbon-like pasta that is wider and thicker than spaghetti but narrower than lasagna sheets. The name translates to little ribbons in Italian, which accurately describes its long, flat and slightly chewy form. It is traditionally made with egg and flour rather than just semolina and water, giving it a richer flavor and a more golden color. Fettuccine is most famously paired with Alfredo sauce, a rich combination of butter and Parmesan cheese that clings to the flat surface of the pasta. It is a staple of Roman cuisine and remains one of the most beloved pasta types globally. Rigatoni. Rigatoni is large, ridged tube pasta with a wide hollow center and straight-cut ends, unlike the angled ends of penne. The ridges on its outer surface and the open hollow interior make it ideal for capturing thick, meaty or chunky sauces. The name comes from the Italian word rigato, meaning ridged. Rigatoni is particularly popular in southern Italian and Sicilian cooking, where it is often baked with rich tomato or meat sauces and melted cheese on top. Its substantial size makes it one of the heartier pasta shapes suited to robust and heavy preparations. Farfalle. Farfalle is an instantly recognizable pasta shape that looks like a small bow tie or butterfly. Each piece is a flat rectangle of pasta pinched in the center to create the distinctive winged shape. The name means butterflies in Italian, and the pasta is also commonly called bow tie pasta in English-speaking countries. The pinched center tends to be slightly thicker and chewier than the outer edges, creating an interesting variation in texture within each piece. Farfalle pairs well with light cream sauces, pesto, and cold pasta salads, where its decorative shape adds visual appeal to the dish. Lasagna. Lasagna refers to the wide, flat sheets of pasta that are layered with fillings to create the famous baked dish of the same name. The pasta itself is broad, thin, and rectangular, with either smooth or wavy edges depending on the variety. Each sheet is layered between meat sauce, bechamel, and cheese before being baked until golden and bubbling. Lasagna is one of the oldest forms of pasta, with roots tracing back to ancient Rome. Today, it is considered a classic comfort food in both Italian cooking and international cuisine, and it is widely enjoyed in home kitchens and restaurants alike. Linguine. Linguine is long, flat pasta similar to spaghetti but slightly wider and oval in cross-section rather than perfectly round. The name means little tongues in Italian, describing the flat and slightly broad shape of each strand. It originated in the Liguria region of northwestern Italy and is traditionally paired with seafood-based sauces, particularly the famous linguine alle vongole, which combines the pasta with fresh clams, olive oil, garlic, and white wine. The flat surface of linguine holds lighter oil-based sauces better than round pasta shapes, making it a preferred choice for formal preparations. Orecchiette. Orecchiette is a small round pasta with a concave shape that resembles a tiny ear, which is exactly what the name means in Italian. It is a traditional pasta from the Puglia region in southern Italy and is typically made by hand using semolina and water. The curved cup shape of each piece makes it excellent at cradling thick sauces, vegetables, and small pieces of meat. It is most traditionally served with broccoli rabe and Italian sausage, a pairing that has become iconic in Apulian cuisine. The slightly rough interior surface of each piece also helps sauces cling more effectively. Tortellini. Tortellini is a small ring-shaped stuffed pasta with a filling sealed inside a thin layer of egg dough. The filling traditionally consists of a mixture of meat, cheese or vegetables, and the pasta is folded and pinched into its characteristic ring shape by hand. It originated in the Emilia-Romagna region of northern Italy, and the cities of Bologna and Modena both claim it as their own culinary creation. Tortellini is most traditionally served in a simple broth, which allows the flavor of the filling to be the main focus. It can also be served with cream sauces or butter and sage for a richer preparation. Gnocchi. Gnocchi are small soft dumplings that occupy the space between pasta and a completely separate category of their own. They are most commonly made from mashed potato mixed with flour and egg, resulting in a pillowy, tender texture that is unlike any other pasta shape. The name is pronounced with a silent G, and the word comes from an old Italian term for a knot in wood, referencing the small lumpy shape of each piece. Gnocchi are traditionally served with tomato sauce, pesto, or melted butter and sage. While potato gnocchi is the most common version, they can also be made from ricotta, semolina, or spinach. Orzo. Orzo is a small rice-shaped pasta that is often mistaken for a grain at first glance. The name means barley in Italian, reflecting its resemblance to that grain. Despite its size, it is fully pasta made from semolina flour and cooks quickly compared to larger shapes. Orzo is commonly used in soups, where its small size fits naturally with broth-based preparations. It also works well in cold salads, pilaf and baked dishes. Its subtle texture and neutral flavor make it highly adaptable, and it absorbs the flavors of whatever it is cooked with particularly well.